I'm sitting here waiting at Mizlala to get my food. And there's a kumquatchi. If you've never had these before, they are super sour on the inside and the skin is really sweet and they're so tasty, and I grew up eating these. I love these. I'm snaking another one. This one's actually really big. This lentil soup looks so good. Oh, that's good. I don't know why some people just hate lentils so much. I think lentils are so good. These Brussels look so crispy. Oh my god. Can you appreciate that? Look, they took apart all the leaves, so they're even more crispy. Oh my god. I can't even fit all the food on this frame. This is a chocolate tahini shake. I'm so curious to see how... Oh my god. That is insane. I always think of tahini as a more saucy, salty type of condiment, but wow, it's like super nutty. Wow, that is really good. A literal work of art. That sauce is insane. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, this is insane. This is the beef and lamb. I love lamb. I'm such a sucker for lamb. I can't get over these Brussels sprouts. Wow. Oh my god. Sauce. Whatever these sauces are, they are very good. Amazing. I love that they have mint in the salad. This is just craziness. Should be illegal for a pita sandwich to be this good. I don't even like chicken, but this is amazing. I'm all about the fillings to bread ratio. More fillings, always. That is a big bite. The herb mix that they use for their salad changes the flavor in the most amazing way. I've never had it with a salad mix like this. It's usually just like romaine lettuce. But with the mint, there's a few different herbs in here. Parsley maybe? Oh, cilantro. Wow. So far there's mint, arugula, cilantro. Oh, this one's parsley. Yeah, that one's for sure parsley. Dill. Honestly, what an incredible blend of herbs. This is crazy, crazy good. If you're not making a mess, you probably aren't enjoying the food. I spill on myself all the time. It's probably good, like at least 12 ounces of meat. Literally, there's just like a whole ass fillet. Just so much meat. I was full a while ago, but I can't stop. If you're coming here, you have to get this chicken pita sandwich. I don't even like grilled chicken, but this was honestly incredible. Everything was so good, but the chicken sandwich really took it away from me. And then these Brussels sprouts, amazing. Like, I am so freaking full, but so good. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. And until then, stay hungry.